If you got a Droid phone and it just stopped working, you can't power it up, all you have to do is hold the power button down right there and then the volume button right there. So let's go over that real simple. You got your power button right there, volume up and down, up, down. So hold the power button down first for a few seconds and then press this at the same time. So you'll need two fingers. One right there to power and then one right there. And it should boot up. That's a common problem with the Droid Razr, is that it completely goes dead and blank, and all you have to do is a safe boot. But don't worry, you're not going to lose any of your data when you do the boot. When you do the boot, it will come up normally and you'll be back in business.